This is how I got an A in mathematics by studying in the easiest way possible. It was the most challenging time of the year, and I spent most part of it doing the responsible art of working. Okay, making TikTok videos. And with the way things were going, I wasn't getting any good at math. And time was not by my side. I had to finish learning fast. But we had a problem. Learning is so boring, learning is so hard. There aren't enough examples. I couldn't find eggs. God help me! I found myself exponentially flabbergasted. Then I received a message from my homie. I was introduced to the math problem solver of Knowledge Resorts, a web-based application that helps students from class 6 to tertiary level by solving math problems systematically. And to my surprise, I was solving quadratic equations, simultaneous equations, algebra. I was the king of the world, Albert Kojo Einstein. You know the name, right? All thanks to Knowledge Resorts. With hundreds of preloaded questions, the math problem solver helps students solve questions step by step, automatically detect mistakes, and give meaningful feedback. Get a year subscription for 199 Ghana cedis or 13,850 naira before the promo ends very soon. School owners can also collaborate for a discount for their students. Parents and guardians, subscribe for awards.